Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a dish that we make almost weekly at the Hussey house. Chicken lettuce wraps. My daughter loves it, my son loves it, my wife loves it. I guarantee there are gonna be some good groceries. I'm gonna show you how I make them. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, the chicken. We're going with chicken thighs. A little bit of avocado oil, not a whole lot, just a little bit. We're going in with none other than old Hussey's chicken dust. Asked for by name. Award-winning, okay? I don't know if it's award-winning. Heifer dust is. It has won an award. Want to get some chicken dust down onto these chicken thighs. Want to do the exact same thing on the other. Now, I don't know if these can be considered, Thai. It's kind of like Thai influence. I just kind of loosey-goosey go at this, all right? Uh-oh. Chicken dust down. Got a little crazy over here. This might be a little bit of Thai, a little bit of just, something else. So it's good groceries. That's what it is. That is what it is. I am going to move this around. I'm not really too worried about seasoning on everything because we're also going to make a beautiful sauce to go along with this. Now, I think we got enough time. I got the griddle on low. Right now it's hovering about 400 degrees, which not too bad. The good thing about chicken thighs is it can take the heat. You can just overcook the dang things and they'll still be delicious. So we're going to take our chicken thighs and I'm going no oil down because chicken thighs have quite a bit of fat on them. All right, chicken thighs are down. Now we need to make a sauce for these. And I'm gonna take one of these little handy dandy little units here. Winds are blowing everywhere. Got things going. All good though, all good. We could be doing worse things in life. Got some low sodium soy sauce. I'm gonna do about, I don't know, a quarter cup, half cup. Where's the eyeball here? There will be a link down below. The recipe might be down below too, but there will be a link, I know for sure, down below that will have the full recipe and the video on my website. Low sodium soy sauce. I got some oyster sauce. Well, that chicken's smelling good. Oh, chicken dust is pretty good groceries. I'm just gonna tell you. Look, I don't know what you're saying. Yeah, I bet you tell that to everybody, Hussey, because it's yours. It's good stuff. This is chili garlic sauce, not paste. It's good stuff. Finally can find this stuff now. I got some garlic, heavy on the garlic. This is just a garlic paste. I thought I had some ginger, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of powdered ginger. Powdered ginger is actually not too bad. I wanna add a little dash of honey. Well, honey. All right, there we go. We want it a little sweet. We want it sticky. We want it thick, thicker than a Snicker. All right. What else we got? I'm gonna roll lime out. A little bit of that right there. Now, if you want to put a little fish sauce in here, a little funkiness, be great. That's why I used oyster sauce, because the fish sauce I had was out of date. I bought it a long time ago. I don't use a whole lot of it, but it is what it is. All right. Put the top on this thing. We're just gonna shake her up. Not gonna worry about any kind of, cornstarch, thickener or whatever, but this should be good. It's gonna create a nice little sauce. Perfect. Now, we gotta make some other things. I'm gonna make some cucumbers. Again, another one of these little dishes. I feel like this dish needs these cucumbers. They just offer a little texture, a little crunch. I dig them, and they're super easy. My daughter, she loves these things. We eat the whole container. But normally we gotta fix. Normally she eats one. I gotta fix 2 cucumbers. How about that? One for her and one for me. So we're just gonna stack these cucumbers up. All right. You want to get your mandolin out? Go right ahead. You want them all uniform. But you know what? I'm not bougie like that. No. All righty. There we go. Now, cucumbers. Put all them right into there. Here we go. Let's flip our chicken right quick. Oh yeah. We're just letting those hum along. Smell fantastic though. We're just gonna flip those over. All right, now what are we gonna do to these cucumbers? Glad you asked. For the salt and pepper element, I'm just using chicken dust. A little bit of chicken dust. So we're pretty much washing and repeating what we did earlier. Some soy sauce. I don't want a whole lot. I'm not gonna do oyster sauce. I am gonna do some of this chili garlic sauce. I love this stuff, so good. And I wanna do more honey. I don't know if you guys, come on. And it's cold, a little cold outside. Actually, it feels good today. It's been cold here in North Cackalack. The old Andersons, they're over here, they're smelling these groceries. Boom, there we go. All right, I'm gonna add some sesame seeds to this as well. Gives it a nice little pop of color. Okay. I think that's it. Need a little bit of oil, a little bit of oil, a little bit of avocado oil. Very light, very neutral. All right, now, this is what you do to these. I love these containers. It helps kind of bruise them up a little bit, kind of rough them up. I mean, not like, you know, not like you're some kind of street tough or anything, but, you know, it kind of helps release some of the natural waters, moisture, that kind of thing. And it kind of starts absorbing the stuff that you made, you know, the sauce. Perfect. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at there. Would you look at that? Let's give it a try. Oh, man. There's that crunch element. Tell you what else will work. Some red onions. Red onion, something like that, work really good in here too. For some color contrast, I thought would also be good, a little bit of red pepper onto our lettuce wraps. Now, this is a little bit different lettuce wrap than say like a P.F. Chang's, you know, kind of lettuce wrap. This is, I like to cut these into strips, the chicken, and that way you just kind of pick up maybe one, you know, chicken thigh, and you put it in your lettuce, a little bit of toppings, and that's all she wrote. Just like that. I'll tell you what, it's fantastic. I look forward to this meal when we fix it. All right. Tell you what we're gonna do. In that chicken fat, we're going to put our veg just right on top. Man, we're cooking with gas now. Okay, we got one more thing to do. We got another sauce to use. Sauce to make, mind you, a peanut sauce. Peanut sauce is really easy to make. Just get you some creamy peanut butter, about maybe half a cup. Soy sauce. All right, soy sauce. I'm going with, where's my other lime at? Where you at, lime? There you are. Here's a little lime. Yeah. All this right here is just kind of wash and repeat stuff, just to be honest with you. Sesame oil. I go with, man, this stuff right here is really good. It's a extra virgin sesame oil. It's not pungent. It's really good. It's not toasted. I don't like the toasted. Need a little garlic paste. There we go. Just a little bit of salt, pepper, that kind of element. And one thing you might need to do, and I might need to also here, is to take you a little bit of hot water. And that'll help it'll help loosen this up. I actually don't have hot water out here. I might just use a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Smell those peppers. Those peppers smell amazing. Hot water would work really good, but hey, you work with what you got. Thin this out, a little bit of mo. You want this to be nice, well, like a sauce. Need some more. There we go, look at there. That's what you want. I feel like it needs just a little bit more sweetness after that try. I'm gonna do some honey. Perfect. All right, let's give that a try. Oh, that's good. All right, we're gonna go check on our chicken thighs. Getting nice color on them. Perfect. I don't mind that a bit. Don't mind it a bit. Tell you what I'm missing. Feel like a little bit of onion really good. Do good over there. I don't know. I like onion. Y'all like onions? Onions are so good. I got a little red onion that I'm just gonna chop up. Just more flavor. More flavor. There we go. Yeah, buddy. All right. Now, we got our cucumbers or pickles. Really, we're pickling this. We got our sauce. We got our peanut sauce. All we gotta do now is get this chicken ready. All right, so our chicken thighs, they're done. And we're gonna take these off. Well, they're done as far as temperature-wise. They're measuring 165 degrees, which is fine. Got nice color on them, as you can see. I'm gonna get these vegetables also. Put those up to the corners and on me. They're good. All right, take our griddle, we're gonna cut it on like a low. So for our chicken, I am going to just chop it up, preferably into nice kind of bigger chunks, not like a dice like you would see like at like a P.F. Chang's or something like that, but I'm looking for a slice. And that's what we're looking for right there. So, I mean, the chicken is done, but we're not done with it, all right? We're going back to the griddle. Yeah, we're gonna put that right back. All right. I'll take our vegetables that we had. I'll put those vegetables right there. Mix them up. Now, you remember that sauce? A little saucy sauce. This is where we put our sauce. Right there. I want to reserve just a little bit. That's it right there, my friends. Chicken's already cooked. We're just looking to get flavor onto it. Man, oh man. Does that not look good? All right, we'll put this back onto our cutting board. Oh, would you look at that chicken? That chicken looks fantastic. Now the lettuce that I use this butterhead lettuce. It's really good. Although this one, I do online groceries and sometimes it kind of messes me up sometimes, but it's okay. I'm just gonna come here. That's why I like, you just take like one piece, maybe two, and we're gonna take some of this here sauce. Love, love, love that peanut sauce. Then I'm gonna take a few of our cucumbers, maybe just one. And that right there is it. We'll give this a try. Oh my God. The flavor is amazing. I did chop up a few just peanuts while the chicken was getting done. Another little texture, another little texture play. Some cilantro works really good too with this. Dang, that's good. That sauce for the chicken, that peanut sauce just slaps. Add a little sriracha to mine. I don't know what's up with this lettuce. Normally this is really, like these packages are really good. Today they're just not doing well. A little cucumber, a little sriracha. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit of that peanut sauce, man. I'd put that thing, I can't say, I put that thing on the back of a dang hind end of a billy goat and eat it all. Come on. I eat the heck out of these things. Y'all, try these chicken lettuce wraps out. A little bit different than what most people fix. I think they use like ground chicken, something like that, but try this next time. I think you'll like it. See ya. And we're gonna take some of this. Actually, we're gonna take some of this sauce first. Get organized here, Hussey. Okay. Yeah. I should have took this off earlier. Forgot about it. I set myself up. Come on, honey. Honey, honey. Come on, honey. Honey. Maybe one, honey. Honey. I see what you're doing, Jeff.